We're in the Hayfield Farm community, and the structure behind me is the box culvert outfall for a new stormwater conveyance system we just installed under Hayfield Road. This new system will take 35 acres of the drainage area here and will carry the water into this floodplain behind me, discharging the excess flows.
As we think about new developments, those developments create more impervious surface on the rooftops and the parking lots, and that water has to go somewhere. I've had some personal experience with flooding as well. You might not be aware of this, but about 8 years ago, my basement took on about 6 inches of water. That resulted in us pulling up all of our carpet, taking up about 4 feet of the drywall, and really replacing every single thing that was in that basement.
This is a significant improvement for the community. It addresses a flooding problem, a risk to 45 to 50 homes. It's been going on for at least 25 years and probably closer to 30 or 35.
Frankly, without the community's support, the ability for the county to do a project of this magnitude just would have been eliminated. This community, they got down in the trenches with us, they reviewed the plans, they advocated to make the project better. Without their advocacy, without their time, without their talent, without their energy, we certainly would not have had a project this successful.